Oh, sniper! Canadian sniper's back! Okay, never mind. Maybe not. Canadian sniper set. 3 confirmed kills. 4 confirmed kills. 5 confirmed kills. Who is this guy? Six confirmed kills. Oh fuck, okay, I gave that one away. Fuck. Got him, Captain. We held the line. Thousands of enemy insurgents came at us. We held the goddamn line. Jesus, kidding. Oh shit! Oh hello. What? My job here is done. I got to the evac chopper just as the natives were trying to kill me. Stupid Rengar. Okay, everyone's been dealt. Shit, where's Meowkai? Save the rainforest! I'm coming!
Godlike.
Fuck me. It's not even. It's 14 minutes. I was like, okay, they're gonna surrender soon, right? Never mind. Never mind, boys. This war ain't over until they're all dead. We're in position, sir. In fucking position, but. Okay, fuck it. I meant to kill him with my knife. That's why I'm doing this. Fuck it, just kill. Just die. Die. Why you no die? Fucking Bunu. Fuck you, Bunu. Just die already. Fuck Bunu! Fucking get him! Fuck Bunu. Bunu can suck my balls. Hyper speed. Sir. You might not make it. They may get away. But if they get away, you'll be... 1 down! 2 down, Captain. Just 1 more hostile. I'm probably running into the enemy. A Bunkai! Fuck, I'm sorry, I'm ready.